big guys are doing.
All righty. Day number 2. We finally are back and live streaming. We're going to be doing this daily, providing market news, a stack spotlight, and a build session on Indexify. Today, there's a few interesting headlines going on today. Specifically, there has seemed to be a interview on CNBC or NBC that showed a lot of people talking about putting together portfolios of cryptos, and which was interesting. Somebody sent it over to me, and I'll play it for everybody right now. Let's take a quick look. Look at this. So here's the clip.
How long before we start seeing real portfolio management happen around many of these coins, alt or the main ones out there?
Oh. All right. I gotta figure out how to screen share on this. You there, Alex?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right.
So
I think market today seems to be pretty crazy. Did you see that interview with CNBC on portfolios?
I didn't. I just saw you were about to play it, but that's kind of cool to see.
Yeah. What was the?
I saw. I think you were screen sharing for a little bit because I did see it.
Let's see.
There it goes. It's up now. I see it on your screen.
Yeah. What was the quote? The quote was. It was on Power Lunch. XRP soars 20% on the year. Let's take a look. XRP. Well, anyways, so I mean, it was basically like people are talking about ETFs and portfolios and allocating portfolios, crypto into portfolios. It was something like 1 to 4% of what people should be invested in crypto, which is insane from the previous guidance. So who knows? I think I think that's where we're headed. But creator ETFs have been something that everybody's asking for. So that's certainly something that's interesting. Today,
there was also some Morgan Stanley news, which was pretty big today too.
Which one was
kind of same note?
Morgan Stanley news.
Yeah, just crypto related. I mean, there was some U.S. passing stablecoin rules. Also, China classifying RWA tokenization as illegal. I thought that was kind of funny.
It's classic.
And then the crypto czar met with senators about like market structure, stuff like that. But there was also a big Solana meme coin volume was way up.
Oh, I did see that as well. Yeah.
And Kalshi crossed 100 billion in annualized trading volume, so that's pretty big.
Unreal. Yeah, I know that there's a couple key things with Morgan Stanley. Yeah, it looks like they just filed a bunch of ETFs. That's certainly going to be something that's. Look at that.
Yeah, that was it. That's why it rang a bell. They filed Bitcoin and Solana ETFs. That's why everybody was bull posting Solana today to save the market. I mean, the market had a tremendous bounce over the last week or so. And then we had this like harsh pullback in that at lunchtime, but now it just erased that and we're back up. Also, SPY hit all-time highs. Did it? Wait, did it? No, not quite yet. Well, wait, did SPY actually? Yeah, SPY did, but the ES futures did not yet, which is kind of weird. But we're very close to all-time highs on the futures, and SPY did tag it today. You know what's funny is that we're at SPX like 16. We're past 6,900, so I wonder if that meme is now obsolete because it's just reality.
Oh, look at that. Of course. Okay. Note for the stream that we have 0 views on. Note for the stream that we need better Wi-Fi. I'm looking at these. I did see pump fund volume going crazy. Yesterday was the highest DEX volume ever on pump. I would love to see the graduation rates on these. The graduation rates, I mean, I'll tell you what, the white whale has been absolutely killing it, like in terms of like bringing on new volume. But generally speaking, the market as a whole, Intel, I have a heavy position on Intel. Definitely came back a good bit during the day. I thought we were breaking resistance. I was surprised because the market was up so much. But I like to go by the TQQQ. If you buy, why buy the QQQ when you buy the triple leverage QQQ, right?
Well, it's way cheaper if you're playing options. The premiums are so much cheaper on TQQQ, so that's nice.
Interesting.
That's a nice yeah, because I've played around and sometimes I'll look at QQQ like the option spread and they're way higher, so it's definitely easier to trade the TQQQ.
Well, I mean, we had the TQQQ and then Figure Technologies. I mean, this thing. I mean, I was going to enter in with a significant position. And you know what? I chose Intel wrongly. But you know what? We continue onwards, you know, like
you can't win them all.
You can't win them all, but
where do you see that go, like equity loans and houses and that market? Like, I mean, do you see that really catching on? Because I mean, I'd say like the housing industry is a huge.
Oh my gosh! I mean, I think real world, like Figure is doing all the HELOCs. Figure's doing all the HELOCs on chain, and their whole thing is the Provenance chain. The Provenance chain, just to pull it up, like Provenance really hasn't been used aside from them issuing out HELOCs on their own chain, the Provenance chain.
So they built their own chain for this purpose.
Yeah. Let's see if I'm not sure if there's any markets associated with the Prov. Yeah, the hash. So this is Figure Technologies. Interesting. Pump swaps hash. Yeah, look at that. This is one to look out for. I do have to say, like, this is one of those sleepers that like people haven't heard about, but like, I mean, it's at a $2.7 billion valuation. Like I always thought this is a completely non-used chain, but it's issued out by Figure Technologies. So it really does beg the question, like, should this be something that people are looking at? I just don't know where you buy it.
Yeah, it's interesting. I mean, a lot of people don't know about Figure either.
Right.
Even like people in the industry, I feel like mortgage originators, like people who do loans, things like that, like realtors. Like, I mean, there's probably a small percentage of people that obviously do, but I guess this kind of removes those people from as middlemen from the game. So they might see it as a threat.
Yeah, I mean, we'll see. We'll see where they come out. Are you watching the stream right now, Alex?
Yeah, it's a little delayed from how I hear you.
Got it.
But I can see you. Yeah.
Got it. Can you hear yourself?
Probably. I think I heard it in the when I I have everything else muted, so
okay.
I'm not right now. But when I listened back yesterday, I'm like, I'm you can hear me faintly. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I this is definitely one to watch. Figure is definitely one to watch. I mean, we see Nvidia is still at 188, so I mean, we're still moving ahead on there. But you know, it does look and Hood is doing pretty well. 121.
Another funny thing, I mean, the Caracas Venezuelan stock market has been absolutely ripping.
Oh yes.
Which is, I mean, obvious. But somebody put a time overlay about the U.S. troops mobilized, went in to capture and then capture Maduro, and it's just it's like a shitcoin chart, just I don't know what the ticker is, but I'm sure let's see what it is. IBC, I think.
IBC, is it?
Yeah, this thing is so scammy looking. Wait, is this even it? It's got to be it. Caracas Stock Exchange General Index. Yeah. It says I need an exchange agreement to look at this chart. That's strange, but yeah, I can see the chart in the background. It looks,
yeah. I mean, it's up 100%. Definitely high volumes. Hey, listen, good for Venezuela. I mean, I hope for their sake that they do pretty well. I would be. Where's gold at today? Gold is.
Yeah, let's do a quick overview.
Gold futures.
Let's see. Gold 4,500. I mean, it had a big pullback Monday, right before New Year's. It had a big down close candle, and then it's been recovering. So it's looking like it's going back to all-time highs. Silver. Let's see what silver.
It's It's basically at all-time high. I mean, what are we doing?
Yeah. I mean, this has been the biggest run on metals. I think,
my
for the
gosh,
past 50 years.
Oh my goodness. I mean, did you hear the reason why on the silver aspect?
I don't know. No. Is there a specific I mean, silver is insane.
Yeah, I mean, turns out one of the banks was issuing out silver bonds or silver notes, and they weren't actually buying the silver, and then somebody found out, and they got caught, and they had to just go buy it. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's
my god! So it's kind of like a short squeeze situation.
Yeah, it's what 4x
in a way.
I mean, silver's at a 4x. I mean, from 2020. I mean, yeah, that's next level.
You know who's winning is all the dudes in the jewelry business right now. Those guys are just absolutely crushing.
Well, I mean, that's the case.
I mean, the dudes have been, they're always winning. But I mean, if you've been stockpiling silver and gold jewelry for the past 5-10 years, even.
Right.
I wonder, how that evolves on chain too.
Well, have we gotten silver yet, or silver or gold on chain yet? Silver.
There's definitely gold. Because I made a stack today. This might be a good segue into our next segment of stack highlight.
So Polygon and AVAX has it. We'll see when Solana does. But I will say, stacks have been doing quite well. I mean,
to go into that, I mean, there's been some runners today. I was up a lot, down, and then I just rotated way too much, so I ended up even. But there was several opportunities over the last 24 hours, and just might as well recap on what you made yesterday, because when we were on the stream yesterday, you made a couple. But the Theo Von Fish play was the clear winner. From the last 24
hours. I think. Wait. We stacked that in yesterday's stream, and that went up 300%. 300%. And of course I
thought
sold.
you were
I mean,
late. I thought we were late too. I mean, but yeah, goes to show.
300%, $9.3 million. Incredible. Stack of the day, DL Vaughn. I mean, incredible. I wonder what asset? Rainbow Fish.
Yeah, Rainbow Fish. That
Rainbow
was the one
Fish.
he tweeted that in or something.
I mean, we should try. What's the trending token of the day today?
Yeah, I haven't seen any non-crypto native influencers shill anything yet, so that seems to be the move. But let's see. Yeah, trending meme-wise, I mean, there were some other cool ones that popped up. There was this.
Well, I think just
This oil rig
generally
one.
today. Let's take a look at the top. Let's take a look at the top. The top ones. We'll expand this for everybody and take out the overlay. How do we?
Yeah, bear with us as we become streaming masters.
So we do this. We go to graphics. Take off the overlay. Okay, so that's how we're gonna do it. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at the stack highlight. I mean, I saw all these new ones. Elon stack, Joda,
Well, those are going to
Stack
be
Wars.
coming up in the Stack Wars soon.
Oh, maybe we should introduce that. Stack
They'll all
Wars.
be re-indexed.
This is we're
Yeah,
previewing.
Go through some of the trending ones.
Well, certainly.
But yeah,
Let's preview some of the Stack Wars. So we have something coming out very soon that I mean, look at this. XAI, Tesla, and SpaceX. I mean, that is what everybody is looking to buy. I am so curious what this will end up doing. And especially when we talk about those three separate assets. Now, who else do we have? We have Mert. Mert is a large influencer. I think a key note here is I believe this is the wrong Zcash. It's not verified.
Yeah, well, that was no. I know the thing when I was making it, the verified one was looked ruggy when I looked at it on Deck Screener. It had no liquidity and volume, and that one was the highest liquidity and volume. So I don't know. Maybe we'll have to look into that as to why it's not verified.
Let's take a look.
But yeah, if you look at the verified Zcash, that one looks like not too good.
Let's pull that up. The question is, whose is this? Liquidity is 120.
Actually, let me go on Helios because that's Mert's platform, and he might have the.
Well, I'm curious.
Right one.
I'm curious what. Yeah, we should definitely be looking at that, making sure that's correct. $424. I mean, it's down from 500, right? Yeah, no, this is definitely not the right one. Definitely not the right one. So we're gonna have to fix that for the end result. But so we have Mert stack is interesting. He's got essentially Bitcoin, Zcash, Hype, and Sol. I mean, Mert has been one of the most influential Solana developers in the recent past. I'd love to see someone who's so bullish on blockchain and analytics and things like that. Let's see. He's saying Zcash to 10,000. All right, Mert. Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got.
Is in 2020, I got this like in this investor report that was like, oh, you were late to Bitcoin, like Zcash is the winner, and it was, I mean, it went down from there, but like in hindsight, when I look at that article that I read, they were definitely onto something.
Well, I mean, let's see what they do. I mean, we're gonna see how they stack up against one another. So we have.
So I got, yeah.
Go for it.
No, I was gonna say I got the right token address now for Zcash, so I might just have to swap that one out.
In gold. Let's see this one. It's unverified.
Yeah, the gold thing, the baseline one too. Do you want to explain, like, what is the idea behind that one?
So I think the question is where is this one coming from? So let's change this to Gold X. This should be Gold X.
Okay.
Gold X stock. This is the one that we should be using. I mean, it's absolutely killing it recently. So yeah, let's use Gold X. We have baseline here on Stack Wars is going to be Bitcoin. This is Coinbase wrapped Bitcoin and gold. So we'll see how that does over time. And then the last one.
Oh, there's two more. There's Gainsey, and then there's the other guy from Fumble.
Yeah, we did some research on some of this. So this is Gainsey stack. I mean, Gainsey stack has been pretty lackluster.
It's mostly memes, and I mean it's got ETH in there as like the anchor,
right,
liquidity wise, but everything else is kind of very memey. Well, Pengu is a pretty large market cap.
Elon, obviously doing quite well, actually. I wonder what is this his coin?
Possibly. I don't know if that's official Elon from Pump Fund coin. I'm not sure.
I would argue it could be. Definitely could be.
I mean, what is 2.8 mil? I mean, it's not. Yeah, it could be like a CTO community thing, but
Alpha X today up 57%.
Oh yeah, let's see what he was top creators wise.
Quantum Unicorn Whale.
What did he call that?
We're gonna go ahead and buy that.
One? Oh, it's super low, 84K market cap.
We're gonna go ahead and buy that. We'll see how we do.
Stacked on the 28th of December.
That's incredible.
He also Alpha X also had a great call. It's down now, but it did pump Hachiko coin. That was another kind of exciting one.
It did
for the day
did.
in the trenches wise.
Trench warfare.
In the trenches, it went pretty good. And McStacker also stacked that one actually pretty early.
Let's see where McStacker's at recently. So the interesting thing behind McStacker is that it's actually a sentient AI, which essentially pulls every single one that comes through Pump Fund, screens it, and then posts it. So we shall see how some of these tokens present themselves. I'm curious what this token stats. I did see this rabbits come out. I'm not sure about that. That line looks a little bit too manipulated for me.
Yeah, there's definitely, you got to screen it also yourself.
Yeah, you certainly can't.
Some sketchy ones, but I mean, McStacker's all-time P&L is pretty good. Minus all the rugs.
I mean, this is obviously manipulated. I mean, come on. At the end of the day, like, Can you buy assets like this? I don't think you can. I think you have to. I think you have to stay pretty much outside of this area, because this is obviously going down. Like you're going to lose all of your money at some point on this token. I wouldn't buy anything like that. But let's see what the newest coins are recently, and see if we can stack some good ones. So let's see, 4 hour. We'll do 1 day. Whoa, interesting.
Yeah, right. I mean, before you go, the Solana meme index looking good, as well as the pre-IPO stocks.
Oh, look at that. Collector Crypt is up pretty hugely. I did hear the cards have been. Oh, look at this one as well.
Oh, cards was a token that's going to be in one of the Stack Wars portfolios for what's his name?
Ooh, this looks very interesting.
For the Joda Gezin stack, he's currently holding that cards collector crypt cards token.
Yeah, I think we do a little trenders of today. Let's take a look. Let's create one. Stack.
It can't hurt.
Creator ETF. Stack stream. Stack streamer. On when? 1/6/2025. Say pretty high risk. I'm going to say long term. I think these ones are going to be good ones. This one's obviously high value. I like to look at the 1 day. So we'll wait for the 1 day to load. 1 day.
If it has enough information, unless it was launched today.
No, it was definitely launched today.
Oh, not.
Oh no, launched the other day. And then Collector Crypt. This one, there's been multiple Hachikos. Let's do Collector Crypt. I'm actually pretty bullish on the stack. I think these are.
And for anybody watching, this is the if you're not familiar with the product yet, this is the flow of creating a stack, and the beauty of it is you can mix whatever assets you're feeling, whether they're related or not. So we'll,
been hearing great things about Avicii as well. So let's do these 3 assets. Let's create this stack. Put some money into this. See how we do. I just
gotta put your money where your mouth is.
I just bought. We're only gonna do $5. Well, we just bought the other stack. That's the unicorn whale. Here we go. Let's see how this performed in the past month. Oh, it's filling in. I mean, it's up 20% on the day. So yeah, I mean, we're looking pretty good. So here's our stack. Here's the stack of the creator stack of the day. Let's see how this performs. Have you heard of any other ones that are coming out?
Tokens or
tokens
trending?
wise? Yeah, tokens wise.
Let me see. I mean, let's see what else.
And I haven't checked. I haven't checked recently. What stocks have been really popping off.
Yeah, we should check stocks. 24 hours. I mean, we got
Amazon of 3.5%. DVD.
I mean,
DFDV.
Rainbow Fish is on there for sure. Past 24 hours. I mean, but we kind of caught that one, so we got to look for the.
What is this?
The ones
what is this DFDV stock? I'm always curious what they're tokenizing here.
Oh, DFDV, right? I see that. Yeah, what is that? DFDVX. This is DeFi Development Corp. which is publicly
Oh,
traded up on the NASDAQ. It looks like a fairly new-ish.
look at that.
Well, looks like they launched IPO in 2023, so a couple of years old.
So
some interesting price act.
They are a Solana DAT. And I wonder why.
Up
Massively. I mean,
this week. I mean, there's a lot of bullish things, catalysts going on for Solana right now. I feel like.
Is Solana up 36% of the week? DFDV.
Let's see.
Not in the futures. We'll do all.
We're at 140. What's the weekly? Let's see. I mean, we just started. This week is only getting going.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. What is going on here? What is going on here, Alex?
What's that?
We might have to do a little bit of due diligence. Is Solana up 10% on the day? I would argue it's not.
No, it's not. On the day, it's only up, let's see. Well, from open, when we open to close, 2%. If we go wick to wick on the daily candle is up 5.5%, more or less. And that's about where we are in the week.
All right, let's do some sleuthing. Let's do some sleuthing. We need a little button.
Range on the week.
I want to hit something and say we're sleuthing. All right, DFDV. What is going on here? Let's go.
A sleuth button.
Let's go to Grok.
That's a good idea. Let me write that down. Sleuth
we need
button.
A sleuth button.
We need a sleuth. Yeah, sleuth overlay. This is good. We're ironing out our template here. Live in action.
DFDV stock news. What's going on with DFDV?
I don't know, but there was a massive gap up on the chart. If you look at it, zoom out. FTG. I don't know what the market cap of this thing is, but I mean, if back in April, there was just I don't know if it was earnings or what the hell happened, but something happened in April. Well, the market also pumped that back then too, so that could have been it, but it just did this massive pump.
2.2 million sold. How much is that worth? What is that?
2.2.
It's like $200 million.
How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, $300 million, I think.
300, and the market cap is 230.
Wait, how much do they have? 2.2 million, you said. Yeah, 308 million. It seems.
I mean, the DAT discounts have been pretty serious lately.
Well, that does seem like the top trending stock of the day. Behind that is like the usual suspects: Amazon, United Health is up, kind of interestingly up. XAI, Microsoft, and then gold. Top 6. We go top 10, then we go down the last 3: Visa, Meta, NASDAQ, Berkshire Hathaway. Top 10 trending stonks by 24-hour change. I mean, how cool is it that you can just buy these things on chain now in a decentralized way?
Got it. I'm getting feedback. I'm getting feedback from the crew that we're delayed. Are we delayed?
it's possible we're delayed.
I mean, this is under so it looks like this is 300. We're at 20% discount on DFDV. 20%. I mean, that's. Oh, hold on, my dad's calling. Yo.
Yo, hey, you got to put your thing. Am I on live?
Yeah, you're on live right now.
Good, because you're an idiot. You got to put your face on the chart. I can't see the chart. It's so small. It's like little bitty. They make it bigger.
All right, hold up. I just made it bigger. Can you see it? Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Can you see my
Put your
face?
face on it.
I know. I got. We're trying to understand how this streaming works. Oh, we lost
You
him.
get the live dad feedback.
Oh yeah, live feedback on it. Let's see how we can do it.
Yeah, I don't know why we're delayed. We'll have to figure that out because it does look delayed.
Here we go. Got it. Bang, bang. We're back in business. All right. DeFi Development Corp. I think we should track this bad boy. This is ridiculous. There could be other DAT discount call. I mean, I am curious. I'm curious how this is going to work. Oh, he's coming back. Hey, you're back on.
Yeah, this is much better. Much better. I can actually see what you're talking about. I don't know why you didn't do this at the beginning. My goodness, come on.
Hey, nobody's giving me feedback. The only guy watching my stream is Dad.
Bye.
Peace.
I mean, there's 18 views. I don't know if that's individual viewers or just people who've clicked it and clicked out.
It should say on Twitter. Let's take a look. But I'm curious on this DFDV. I mean, if so, I mean, this is all hype. This was done in May. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of this was. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of this was hype, but fact of the matter is, this is $230 million market cap coin. I would be curious to see what the actual discount is with respect to their underlying assets and their stock price. I mean, the DAT discount. DAT, digital asset treasury. Sure. Somebody has to have a live one of these. Yeah. So, like, this doesn't make any sense. Like, some of these DATs are operating at a discount to their holdings.
Like, can you explain that for a layman who might not understand what
digital asset treasuries. What happened was MicroStrategy back in the day bought a bunch of Bitcoin, and it was really hard to buy Bitcoin. You had to jump through hoops. So what people did was they just bought MicroStrategy to get exposure to Bitcoin. And what happened was MicroStrategy stock, which is now Strategy, exploded. But it exploded beyond that of their actual holdings. So they were holding $1 billion, let's just say hypothetically $1 billion of Bitcoin, but they were trading at $2 billion. So what happened was you could almost see this. You could see what happened in 2024, even here, where in 2021, where I would be, you're actually seeing like how Bitcoin actually operated, and then you see it now where this is not Bitcoin's chart. Don't get me wrong. Yes, there are reasons why that might not be the case, but you see it now, and it's pretty much where Bitcoin is relative to the peak in 24. So I'm curious where the discount or to NAV, net asset value, and the discount would be the amount of money between the market cap of the company, the dilutive market cap of the company, to their underlying holdings. So strategy stock price, this isn't helpful. Let's see. Let's see where this is.
I like these kind of plays. They're definitely big brain. They're beyond my comprehension, but I like learning about it.
Well, so the issue with DATs, I mean, there are so many issues with DATs, but the main issue with DATs, and here NAV premium discount for the NAV premium is this. I love this. This is a ratio market capitalization divided by the crypto assets they hold. Okay, so you see this strategy was at MetaPlanet. Oh my gosh, was at 10 times the value of their underlying holdings. I mean, that is insane. So you see it now where the NAV premium is almost at zero. MetaPlanet was, I believe, which currency were they on? MetaPlanet historically held what? They were holding. Oh, it's under heavy usage right now. We got to sign in. Sign in. What I have to go and plug my computer into direct internet. That's what I need to do. There's three things I need to do: direct internet, a camera, and a microphone.
Maybe a mic.
And a mic.
Right. I wonder if the internet is the reason why you're lagging on the or it could be that we're using Restream. I don't know.
Let's try. I have something that will speed it up. Let's see if it goes faster. All right, we're hardwired in. We're hardwired in. Let's see if it's faster now. You tell me if it's faster.
I'm gonna refresh, but my other guess is that it's because we're using the third-party thing to stream through.
Oh, it's possible. Yeah, definitely possible.
But that shouldn't be the case. I mean, it should be.
So I mean, MetaPlanet was doing. I forgot about this. They were doing Bitcoin. So their NAVs are going pretty much to zero. I would be curious if this is a chart. If you flip this around to today, with the number of DATs going on, which DATs are at a severe discount, and where we can go here. I want to find something that shows us the discount associated with the digital asset treasuries. Let's see. Gemini should be able to help with this. What website can give us the DAT asset treasury discounts to NAV?
we're definitely still delayed, but we'll figure it out for the next one.
You know what? We're gonna tweet out to Emmett.
Cue the sleuthing overlay. We're sleuthing.
Sleuthing. Bang, 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 bang. We're sleuthing. Where can I find digital all the DAT information and who is trading at a high discount to their holdings? I mean, there has to be a website that has, give me a website that has all the digital asset treasuries and their holdings. While it does that, let's see how we're doing here. Okay, nothing yet. Nothing yet on our. No, we're down a little bit. It's okay. BitcoinTreasuries.net. The block. Okay, this might be something that we need to do. Oh, MNAV. That's the. What's MNAV? Oh man. God bless me. MNAV definition.
Somebody has to solve the issue of having way too many tabs and not knowing where anything is.
Multiple of net asset value. Strategies at a negative. Strategies at a negative. Has that been? I mean, it looks like according to Bitcoin Net, they are operating at a discount.
MicroStrategy is?
Metaplanet is operating at 1.4. Bitcoin Standard Treasury Company is operating at point. These MNAV numbers have to be wrong. Yeah, I mean these are not treasury companies. This is trash data. How are you supposed to put BitcoinTreasuries.net and you have Coinbase? Why is that a treasury? That makes no sense. They have so many other assets. Trump Media and Technology Corp. I get it. They're saying which one have. Okay, I understand. This is not. I mean, this website is pretty much useless to the extent it only shows you who holds Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Pretty much meaningless, except for MicroStrategy. Metaplanet is another one. I'm still surprised that MicroStrategy is operating at a discount, though. I would presume unless they have some dilutive value of their shares. So essentially, like they gave away some of their value in the equity, the market cap away, but that would be incredible. But we did. I mean, if anything is there, Metaplanet is operating at 1.4 times. I wonder if there's Solana. Wow. Okay. Looks like our DFDV stock is down 5% already. So, God save the Queen.
Top tick.
I mean, I am the absolute best top ticker of all time. Top picker. You want to see? Anytime I take a screenshot, I should sell. I did that the other day. It was up 20 grand. Took a screenshot. Immediately, full loss.
Yeah,
I should do that on stream.
A recap on Blindfold. That was a nice run.
That was I had a 10x on 2 grand. And
stack feature. That user has been calling some pretty good gems. They also had a nice run on this oil rig one today.
Oh yeah,
5x.
5x. Yeah,
not a very large market cap, but I mean that's the hardest part of trading is like not getting married to any one position, and also I mean if you do sell for a loss and then it usually goes parabolic without you, you have to be able to let that go too, which is some of the hardest.
I mean, the most recent one, Goldfish, 266%. This quantum unicorn whale, we're gonna have to keep watching that one. X402 dashboard is absolutely killing it.
Oh yeah, how's that one doing? Oh, it's up 50%. Nice. I didn't even buy it.
I've never seen this one.
Oh well, that one I wonder. So that one. It's weird because they did a migration. Oh, did they? Or no. Yeah. Oh, Ace. So that one's messed up too because that one, Ace Data Cloud, did a migration. So that stack is kind of obsolete now. Need to like redo that one. But we have editing stacks coming soon, so that'll be very helpful for this type of migrations.
Very helpful. Look at that.
Yeah, the X402 meta has been strong. Also, I saw a post today about Solana privacy ecosystem. There's a lot of different privacy, infrastructure and payment transaction protocols coming out on Solana, which are doing pretty good. So,
privacy and X402.
These seem like the metas that are gonna, I mean, that plays into the MERT stack 2026 thesis. I mean, you got vibe coding, privacy, AI.
So what's your take on that? I mean, what's your take on we'll put in Zcash. Yeah, we can do that. We'll put in Zcash. But where do we kind of fall here? And I'm curious. I believe this is your stack. Your X402 one. What else do we have here? Dexter AI, Pay AI, Ace Data Cloud. Wow, look at that. I mean, this thing went. That's incredible. So this has really been doing quite well. I've seen Dexter AI, which I haven't done a lot of research on, has performed extraordinarily well. I would presume we should include them. I need to do more research on them, but these guys have been absolutely killing it. And then, of course, I do think so. We have a couple privacy. I believe Daydreams is privacy. Zcash is Dexter AI's AI. What are some X402 protocols that are going on? And I need to do some more research. Maybe we should get a guest on with respect to the X402. But what I believe Solana said something about specific things to trade.
Yeah, did you have the Avo one was on there?
Is that X402?
I think it's in that kind of payment X402 payment ecosystem. I actually saw somebody posted about X402. I'm trying to look for it. I mean, it's kind of like a payment system, right? So, but I guess it has to meet certain requirements.
Oh, look at that. DeFi Dev Corp announced they partnered with Solana's DeFi protocol Yield. Very interesting.
So here, I'm going to share with you the one I made. I think I made this yesterday. It's another X402 stack. I put it in the
What's the name of it?
X402 narrative. Type that in, should come up. That one I made just based off the like top 10 gainers from the past. I think it was, I don't know if it was like the week or something. And there's a bunch in there. So there's like I think I put 10 in there or something. But there's a bunch we can look at from there. There's Opus, Sierra.
But this is a meme. I believe this is a meme coin, right?
Which one?
Sierra Agent. I'm curious on this one.
Sierra Agent. Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, some
Sierra
of them are pretty low market cap.
Oh, these are super low market cap, but let's see how they do.
There's some bigger ones. There's Amico. Cloud Opus is 6.9 mil.
This one is, I believe it's a meme coin though. I'd rather keep it to PAI. PAI, how's that been performing recently?
Let's see
it's been pretty consistent. We'll put it in there. I mean, listen, these are metas that if they do come, and how is Blindfold doing? This one, I'm not sure if this is real, but I'm not sure if it's real. But if it is, I mean, Avicii is up at $32 or $33 million. So it would be very interesting to see where this kind of falls into. Let's try this one. So this is Privacy, X402, and AI.
Check this one out. Radar, RADR. That's another one.
Oh, Radar.
I guess we pronounce it Radar, but the ticker's RADR. Send funds without exposing your transaction history. So that's another kind of privacy X402.
We need to add socials on here so we can do some.
Actually, socials is a definitely we need. And that one's interesting. It was launched on Bonk.
Oh, okay.
That's kind of cool.
Oh wow. Wow. All right, let's try it out. I mean, you don't know what these new ones, but let's see. Can't find it. No way. Didn't we just? Oh, it's already in there. All right, so let's stack it. Let's see how it does. I mean, this could be a very good. I really like this.
Kind of cool.
I really like this stack. This is interesting. This takes a lot of the small. I mean, these are, aside from the Siri agent, which, arguably we could have taken out. This really encompasses a lot of the lower. I mean, 16 million, 27. I mean, they're higher slightly, but generally they're sizable enough to where they're kind of almost like a pre-seed company or a seed round company, and you don't know where they're going to go.
Yeah, I mean, we missed another one, which is cool. This Opus.
But the Opus Cloud is that's just Opus. That's Claude, right? That's Claude, like the programming.
Is that their? That's not their token, though, is it?
No.
But this is.
But I will say, what is that? What is that? What is? This is Claude's AI mascot. I mean, I'm curious if this ever is going to pop off. It's at 30K market
the
cap.
Opus Genesis.
No, this Claude. I bought this a couple times. pretty poor. But listen, I think we have some stacks to catch up on. This DAC call is interesting, and the creator ETF. We'll see how all these work out. I'm excited though. I think this is some great ones to have. Theo Vaughn obviously doing quite well.
Yeah, we'll see how that one does tomorrow too. We'll check back in. We're coming up on just about an hour.
And who knows if our Jota Gezin index, how that does.
Yeah, I have to redo the baseline and the MERT one with the correct, and then all those will re-index for the Stack Wars, and then we can bet on them. We can bet on our horses that we think will win on the week. It's going to be cool because there's some bigger weighted market cap stacks going against some sort of lower ones, and obviously the lower ones have more of a chance to pump because they're lower liquidity. But
well, I think at the end of the day, we don't know, right? I think.
Well, that's also true, yeah, because the bigger ones might be a week where they outpace the lower market cap.
Right.
Okay.
So I'm curious where they'll end up, and I'm excited for it. I did see this new one come up. Very interesting stack. Lots of this is an incredible amount of assets just generally. 1%. I mean, you're talking.
Oh, OR is another gold one, isn't it?
No, OR is a what they define as a mega Ponzi. I don't. Infinity is an interesting. I haven't ever seen that. Wow. I mean, very consistent. What is this?
That's just a nice looking chart. Well, when you zoom out further, it's not that nice looking, but on the week it is.
Wow. It's interesting. What is this? What is this? Sanctum Infinity. Socian Staked Soul. So is this might be the Lido equivalent. 278 million. 6.4% APY. Incredible. What is Jito? 278.
Yeah, the liquid staking thing was like a huge meta, I feel like 2 years ago or something.
Yeah, definitely.
We had what was the big one on ETH? I don't remember the name, but
we have pretty significant. So the TVL is 278. Jito is at Sanctum Infinity. The market cap is at 278.
yeah, I remember Sanctum. They did an air, didn't get anything. I had like 10K staked. I thought I was gonna get a nice little bag, but I got peanuts.
Well, I'm curious. 278 P&L, but Jito. I presume that this is fully diluted This is 488. Sanctum is 278. Is this being driven off of just their underlying TVL? If so, that's pretty. It's a very interesting. Seems to be lower priced than Jito. Now, I think Jito does some other things, but that is pretty impressive. Wow. Got it. So this is, I believe this is a Jito. This is a Jito Soul. However, yeah, I have to do some more research on Sanctum. I mean, obviously, it's held a pretty solid floor. So curious to see how this continues to go, considering this is one of the leading stake Solana protocols, sitting at 42 million.
Yeah, I definitely not. I do remember using it a couple of years back when they were doing the airdrop just to try to farm it, and then but I do remember the yield being decent.
Well, Edgepool Codex. What's going on here? What's going on here, huh?
Yeah, I wonder how many people have that in a stack right now. Let's see. What is that? INF? Is it Infinity? See related stacks. Yeah, only two people have stacked this.
Say again?
I was saying only 2 people have put this in a stack so far. The one you were looking at and one previously.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to come back down. Degensen doing quite well. This is Momo. Momo. This has been just constantly. Looks like a little bit of a pricing issue here, but of 124%. I mean, this is looking. Oh boy. This is looking fantastic. This is one of those where there are ones that are sitting there. I mean, this looks.
Yeah, that one's scammy.
Oh,
I don't know what it is.
Wait,
I remember,
scammy? You think this is scammy? I mean, this looks like it might have a large Chinese community or just Asian.
The Codex one?
No, Momo.
Oh, Momo.
I mean, this.
Oh, yeah, the Momo one, yeah.
This looks pretty interesting. This looks like it could go on a run.
Yeah, those are the ones that
This is.
I mean, what is all-time high market cap? That's way up
44 million. We're looking at a 10x. I mean, you're having early buyers come in. Huh. This is definitely one to watch. Definitely want to watch. We'll stack this one as well.
I'm hyped for the build with AI stack feature.
Yeah, I also want to have the ability to speak into it, speak into the module. It's all looking very good. So this one's been doing pretty well. Crypto Optimist. This has been consistently moving up the entire time it was posted.
Christmas.
Incredible.
That's the thing. There's tons of safe bets on here, and there's also tons of degen plays. Like if you're in for the, if you want to play the quick game, Wild West style.
Well, I mean, this is it. This is it. I mean, Crypto Optimist is exactly the person who likely is doing a lot of research. And oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna put some money into this one. I mean, the fact Stacks DeFi show, interesting. Maybe we should talk to Stacks.
Stacks.btc. Oh yeah, that was that's the L2 on Bitcoin. Remember them?
Yes.
I guess they're still around. There was a big run of Bitcoin NFTs. I remember with the megaponts.
Right. Well,
but yeah,
I mean, this is a great one.
People like Crypto Optimists have, they're posting tons of safer bets that like the returns are not immediately.
Oh, and you
5x.
have yield. Yes, you have yield associated with them as well. Right. So they actually accumulate in value. Yep.
So does that mean like you'll get more profit when you go to sell it?
Well,
like because the underlying tokens also go up in value as well. Well, like I don't know, that's a little confusing to me, but
let's go back to this stack. So Crypto Optimist. So Crypto Optimist put together SHUSD, High-Low Stake Sol, and XSol. So I believe High-Low Stake Sol, XSol, I don't believe that they actually distribute Solana. So these are yield-based tokens. I believe what happens is they actually, well, I think what happens is your balance goes up over time.
Right.
So essentially you get distributed the rewards. The other way that this
is, you just get more. Right. You get more tokens.
Right. Exactly. So this is market cap. Let's actually look at price. So over time, so High-Low Stake Sol, over time, your balance would go up. Now the other function that I could see how this works is, you actually take your Solana, they're actually holding the value inside the token itself and just issuing out a representative token, and that token would go up in value. But I would have to say, let's see. Oh, leverage Sol. Oh, I like this. So the current leverage is 2.6. Got it. So this is secure way to hold USD positions that rely on centralized custodians, leverage long, high stable. So let's see what this is all about. New positions that rely on centralized custodians, leverage long, high stable. So let's see what.
Oh, my bad. I had the thing unmuted for a second.
Got it. So this is a good way to leverage your soul. Very cool. So it actually is leveraging your soul. So this should be based on 2 to 4x. Oh, I like this. So this is leverage Solana. So if Solana is up, you said Solana is up. What's Solana's 24-hour change?
I believe it was like 2-3% or something. So far in the day, it's coming down now.
Yeah, I think it looks like 24 hours is 0.46. So it's triple leverage. So or 0.72. Okay, or not. Let's see what 24 hours is. 0.72. So if it's triple leverage, it should be around 2.1% or something along those lines. It was at 3.5. And that's unbelievable. And you have high low stakes. So I like this. So this is basically got it. So this is high low valid. We should have read it. We should have read the description. Solana leverage long token acts as a sponge to. Oh, this is Crypto Optimist. We're gonna have to do a little highlight on this.
Shout out to Crypto Optimist.
Shout out Crypto Optimist. I mean, this is. I didn't realize how big brain this is.
Nice. He dropped that to us on Christmas as a nice little gift too. That stack, Inception on 12/25.
What is it up? It's almost up. It's up 23%.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. Like, there's so many plays that have been posted here that are just like 20, 40, 50, 2x, you know, easy plays that are like not super high risk, like, and you're not like losing your hair, like, what, you don't even have to really like babysit the chart. Like, you kind of just, well, and that's what Indexify was built for. I mean, my habit is to just be in the trenches and go for the highest risk thing I can find. But with that being said, there's tons of like medium low risk plays that are the way to go. Bet bigger and just be a little less, you know, aggressive with the X value in terms of what you're looking for in a return. And
looking at myself, this is like Inception. All right, well, I think this one is the one we got to watch. I'm going to favorite this one. Incredible.
Yeah, we'll definitely check back on these.
Yeah. Shout out Crypto Optimist. This is one we're going to have to keep on taking a look at. I mean, up 23% on the week. Or up 15% on the week. Up from 108. Yeah, really good. Really good. And it looks like all stacks are pretty much performing pretty well. We'll see over time how everything plays out, but I think those are the ones that are likely going to win. But we'll see if guys like Elon Stack and things like that outperform. So until tomorrow, great work, everybody. Great talking to you. I'll see you next time. Tomorrow will be a big day.